Today I'm going to make 2 recipes of small batch sausage. You're going to want to get some whole milk powder, and feel free to replace any of the dried ingredients with fresh. So if I had some fresh parsley, you could use that in place of the dried. And an easy conversion is to use 3 times fresh to the dried. So since this calls for 1.5 teaspoons of dried, you'd use 4.5 teaspoons of fresh. And you can do that with any of the ingredients. Here I've already started to mix together my Midwest batch, and you can see I choose to use fresh onions. And now I'm going to mix the ingredients for the bratwurst. So what you want to do is you're just going to combine the dry ingredients, combine them well with a spoon in a bowl, and then let them set for about 15 minutes in the refrigerator. After 15 minutes, then you'll combine that slurry with your fresh ground pork. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's combine our slurry with the freshly ground pork. You can either combine these ingredients by hand, and you're going to want to use some sort of glove to do that. Mix very well. This one was the Midwest. Or if you want, you can use your stand mixer. These small batch sausage mixes freeze very well, or you can use them right away, but they keep very well in the freezer. You can see the texture difference between the two, and that's just fine. That's just the ingredients. The Midwest is a pretty stiff mixture, and the bratwurst is actually kind of thin. It's a pretty loose because it has that extra water in it and it has the egg. But they are both so yummy, fresh made sausage.